YouTube isn't just a place to watch videos, it's a platform brimming with potential. For creators, it's a chance to share your passions, expertise, and creativity with the world. But with billions of hours of content vying for attention, how do you ensure your videos reach the right audience? That's where YouTube SEO comes in. Think of SEO as the language you need to speak to help YouTube understand and promote your content. Just like a well-organized library uses a cataloging system, YouTube relies on SEO to connect viewers with the videos they're searching for. By mastering the art of YouTube SEO, you can unlock greater visibility, increase your viewership, and ultimately achieve your channel's full potential. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, understanding the intricacies of YouTube SEO is no longer optional, it's essential. In the following sections, we'll delve into the key strategies that will empower you to navigate this dynamic landscape and emerge as a YouTube success story. Imagine uploading a fantastic video only to have it disappear into the depths of YouTube, lost among millions of others. This is a common experience for creators who haven't harnessed the power of visibility. Visibility is about ensuring your videos appear prominently in search results, suggested videos, and browsing recommendations. When your content is visible, it's more likely to be discovered by viewers actively seeking information or entertainment related to your niche. Increased visibility translates to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately greater success for your channel. But how do you achieve this coveted visibility? The answer lies in understanding and implementing effective YouTube SEO techniques. By optimizing your videos for search, you're essentially sending clear signals to YouTube about the content you create and the audience you want to reach. This optimization process involves several key elements, each playing a crucial role in boosting your visibility and attracting viewers to your channel. At the heart of YouTube SEO lies keyword optimization. Keywords are the terms and phrases people use when searching for videos on YouTube. By strategically incorporating relevant keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you're essentially speaking the algorithm's language, telling YouTube what your video is all about. Effective keyword research is crucial. Put yourself in your target audience's shoes. What would they type into the search bar to find your video? Utilize keyword research tools to identify popular search terms related to your content. Once you have a list of relevant keywords, use them naturally and strategically within your video's metadata. Don't stuff keywords. This can have the opposite effect and hurt your ranking. Instead, aim for a balance between keyword optimization and creating content that is engaging and valuable for your viewers. Tags act like signposts, guiding viewers to your video. They are specific words or phrases that provide additional context about your content. When used effectively, tags help YouTube understand the theme and category of your video, further enhancing its visibility. When adding tags, think beyond just the main topic of your video. Consider related concepts, subtopics, and even variations of your main keywords. For instance, if your video is about baking a chocolate cake, relevant tags might include chocolate cake recipe, easy cake recipe, baking for beginners, and so on. Remember, accuracy is key. Only use tags that are genuinely relevant to your video content. Avoid using misleading or irrelevant tags, as this can harm your channel's credibility and negatively impact your search ranking. Section 5. Thumbnails. The first impression matters. In the vast sea of YouTube, your video thumbnail is your first impression. It's the visual representation of your content that entices viewers to click and watch. A compelling thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer choosing your video over the countless others competing for their attention. When designing your thumbnail, opt for high-quality images that are clear, visually appealing, and relevant to your video's content. Incorporate bold text overlays that highlight the video's title or key themes. Your thumbnail should be engaging enough to pique viewer interest and accurately reflect the content they can expect when they click play. Think of your thumbnail as a mini poster for your video. It's a valuable opportunity to capture viewer attention and entice them to explore your content further. Section 6. Crafting compelling video descriptions. While your video's title and thumbnail are crucial for attracting initial clicks, your video description provides an opportunity to delve deeper and provide viewers with a comprehensive understanding of your content. A well-crafted video description should be engaging, informative, and optimized for both viewers and search engines. Start with a strong hook that grabs the viewer's attention and compels them to keep reading. Provide a concise summary of your video's content, highlighting key takeaways or value propositions. Use this space to include relevant keywords naturally, but avoid keyword stuffing. Incorporate links to your other social media platforms, website, or any relevant resources mentioned in your video. A comprehensive video description enhances the viewer experience and provides valuable signals to YouTube's algorithm, further boosting your visibility. Section 7. Beyond the basics, the benefits of professional SEO services. While implementing the fundamental SEO strategies outlined above can significantly improve your YouTube channel's performance, there's a whole world of advanced techniques and insights that professional SEO services can provide. SEO is a constantly evolving field, and staying ahead of the curve requires dedicated expertise and resources. Professional SEO services have access to advanced analytics tools, industry knowledge, and a deep understanding of algorithm updates, allowing them to craft highly effective optimization strategies tailored to your specific channel and goals. From in-depth keyword research and competitor analysis to backlinking strategies and performance tracking, professional SEO services handle the technical aspects of optimization, freeing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. Section 8. SK Technology, your partner in YouTube success. At SK Technology, we understand the challenges and opportunities presented by the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Our team of SEO experts is passionate about empowering content creators like you to achieve YouTube success. We combine data-driven strategies with creative insights to deliver tangible results for your channel. Our comprehensive YouTube SEO services are designed to enhance your channel's visibility, grow your audience, and maximize your content's reach. We work closely with you to understand your unique goals and tailor our services to meet your specific needs. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or looking to take your existing channel to the next level, SK Technology is your trusted partner in navigating the dynamic world of YouTube SEO. Section 9. Ready to elevate your YouTube channel? Don't let your amazing content get lost in the vastness of YouTube. Take control of your channel's destiny and unlock its full potential with SK Technology's expert YouTube SEO services. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help you achieve your YouTube goals. Subscribe to our newsletter for valuable insights, tips, and the latest updates in the world of YouTube SEO. Your journey to YouTube success starts now.